Are your IT resources spread too thin? Are employees constantly waiting for their systems to respond? Are your document capture processes no longer keeping up with the speed of business? With thin scanning technology, the days of time-consuming, frustrating, and costly local software deployments are over. But wait, what exactly is thin scanning? Well, thin scanning starts with a smart, network-enabled document scanner, including the Xerox D70N, Xerox N60W Pro, and the Xerox W130 Network Production Scanner. These devices have Visioneer vast network technology with Twain Direct built right in, allowing the device to connect directly to highly secure web-based or thin applications. This eliminates the need to download drivers or thick applications to a local PC or client. True Zero software installation digital capture for both distributed and centralized document capture environments can be yours. What else do I need to know? Thin scanning capable devices have embedded security, image processing, and connectivity directly to the cloud. All setup and user operations are done via a web browser, making the solution deployable in just minutes. For effortless installation, remote management, superior uptime, and fast image processing, thin scanning is the solution you've been waiting for. For more information, contact your Visioneer thin scanning specialist.